Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can add alternate item in your bill of material. So first of all, you need to go in production module. On your left hand side, you will see production module option. Please click on this. Now, after coming in production module, I will go in bill of materials by selecting bill of material option. These are the list of all bill of material which are created. So I want to add one of alternate item in my bill of material. So what I will do, I will open this particular bill of material and I will click on edit. So once I clicked on edit, please check here is the list of finished good and all the raw materials which will be required in this bill of material. Now, as you can see that here is a plus symbol, add alternate item. So through this plus symbol, you can add alternate item in front of finished good or in front of raw material. So let me just show you how you can do it. So this is a chain pulley. So I will just now I selected this particular item as alternate and I clicked on save. Also in raw material, you can go ahead and add it. Let me just quickly go ahead and add one of the alternate item through plus symbol. And I will just fill the quantity and click on save. After that, I will click on save BOM. Now, please check once I saved bill of material, here you will get a plus symbol where you can see that which is the alternate item. Same you can select while creating the production process. And also in raw material, you will find that I have added a alternate raw material which can be used while doing the production process and issuing material. I hope this video will be helpful to you while adding alternate item in bill of material. Same plus option you will get while creating a new bill of material as well. Have a good day ahead.